The Campfire by Ruby Archer. In a gulch among the mountains, red and golden creeps the flicker, all impatient to be monarch of the quivering pine tree branches. Now the wind between the boulders shrieks incentive to the flame king, and with mighty roar and crackling, and with flourishing of smoke flags, leaps the fire to meet the moonlight. Fire of earth and fire of heaven mingle weirdly, mingle wildly, as the motives in men's bosoms, heavenly hopes and earthly longings. From the shadows on the hillside comes the whinnying of horses, where we left them deep in grasses. To the quiet peace of roving, gladly crowd we to the circle of the eerie flaming branches. Who so joyous or contented as our merry little party, horseback faring o'er the mountains? We are glad with every valley, smiling faintly in the moonlight. We are full of conquering triumph, in the pride of every summit. But the campfire among the boulders, flinging high its burning banner, laughing gleeful to the moonlight, sings the spirit of our freedom, sings our liberty incarnate, all our full warm love of living,